Let me show you what $35 a night gets you. Come with me. We are staying in Coast Residences in Pasay City, Manila, Philippines. About a 25-minute walk to the Mall of Asia and pretty much anything that you need. This is our apartment condo. And we are going up the elevator all the way to the top where we belong. Like, wow, what a freaking view. Are you joshing me? So we are on the 40th floor. And when you walk in, we've been living here for about a week now, so ignore the stuff. But you have a little shoe rack here. The kitchen. 2 burner. Bathroom on the left. We've been using this rack to put our things because we didn't have a ton of storage. This right here, you're not supposed to drink the water from the faucet, so you can drink this. They left us this, and then we've been buying bottles of water. We spent a lot of time on this side of the room. We haven't touched the TV at all, but there is Netflix and Disney Plus. This couch turns into a bed, but we just use it as a couch. This opens up as a table, but this is where I spend a lot of time just editing and reading, doing morning Bible study. Before I take you out on the view, which you've already seen a ton of in this video, this is the bedroom, which has been really nice. Bed is very comfortable. We also have a view from this window. This is a closet, so I'm keeping stuff here. For AC, it's one of these wall units. Works very powerfully, so it cools the whole area, the whole condo within, minutes. And yeah, I guess I saved the best for last. Hey, my little baby. So beautiful. I'll never get tired of this. It's cute. Look at that. Good morning, how are you? All right, so I'd be a bit remiss if I didn't mention that we did find a couple of roaches in our unit, about 5 or 7, but everything else has been perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the condo tour. follow for more tips, tricks, and just life abroad as a new nomad in her 30s. I plan to bring you a lot more of these. This is just week 1.